Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to create custom product page in Shopify, and it will be a helpful video who don't even know anything about Shopify. So without any further ado, let's get jump into it. So here you can see we already created our Shopify store, and if you want to visit our Shopify store, this is our front end design, and I've almost done all the necessary things in our Shopify store. As you can see, we already uploaded some couple of product over here. So if you are new in Shopify, then you will get this kind of an interface, Shopify, and let's go visit here and click over here. You will get this kind of an interface, and there will ask you to enter your email address. Once you paste it here, then they will give you 3 days free trial where you will allow to use all the elements of our Shopify. So this is great opportunity to explore about Shopify through this free trial. Once you find out that this was really helpful, or this Shopify platform will be greater choice for you, then you can go further with this one, like good to go for you. Once you set up, then you will get this kind of an interface. Right now I am getting. Then here you just need to be set up your themes. Like if you click on online store, then here you will get this theme panel, then pages options and preference options. So in this video I'm going to talk about a page that will be like custom product page. So I'm going to create an custom product page. How I will do it throughout the video, I am give you the step-by-step process in this video. So first of all, you just need to be click on add page. Once you click over here, then here they will ask for the title, like the similar of creating a new page. So I'm going to give a custom page, and then I will click on visibility will be visible, then I will click on set. Once I click over here, now our custom page has created done. So now let's visit it. Just click on this eye and it will redirect us to new tab, and here you can see this is our custom page. So here I am going to click on customize theme. Just click over here. Once I click over here, then they will redirect us to the editing panel, and as you can see this is our design. So I'm going to collapse all the elements and I will delete this. So I will hide it. So just click on I hide, and then click this email sign up also, and let's click on feature collection and this one also. Now you can see this is our whole new page, and I'm going to start work on this. So first of all, I'm going to add a section over here. Just click on sections, and here first of all I'm going to add an image with text options, or you can add image banner. Like here we have couple of options, you are allowed to use it. So you can check it one by one, which one you think it will be like relevant for your business. You are allowed to use it on your business page. So here I'm going to add this one, this image with text, then it will be added over that panel. I'm going to delete this one, so it is not. I'm going to hide it. Now it looks really clean and clear. So here you can see, and here in the right corner you have the options. So now after adding this one, I'm going to add another section that will be feature product. So in the search panel, or you will find out this option. So here you can search it and you will find out that feature product. Just select this and it will be applied in here. Now here you can see this our feature product has been added. So now let's check it one by one. Just click on title. This is the title one. So I am going to click on title, and I selected it, and it is dynamic option. So I'm going to click on title. Once I click on title, it will be added. Then click on price, and let's edit on this. Just select this. As you can see, let's delete this one. We don't need title. We are going to add the banner over here. Then this is the title panel. So let's select the title. Just copy this, and here you will get option for title. Let's make it dynamic. So I'm going to click this one and then search for title. Here you will get the title options. Then let's go to talk about the price. here you will get the price. So I'm going to click edit page. So click over here. Now here you can see it will redirect us here. So here we don't have any work, it already added. We have the couple of options, so just click on this variant picker. As you can see, what is variant picker? It's the picture. As you click over here, as you can see quantity selector, then buy button, share. If you want to remove it, you are allowed to remove it. So we have all the necessary things over here. Now let's go, and here we are going to select some products. No meta field added, so feature product, it's dynamic. So then we are going to add a, it's called feature collection. Just click over here, add selection, and here you can see the first we have feature collection. Just implemented it here, and as you can see it has been added. And then click on this dynamic, and here you just need to be add metadata. So I'm going to add product link page, and here we have this called product. So you have these options to make it all the things like dynamic. Then click on save. Once I done this, then I'll come back, and here because we don't have any product yet, so we are not allowed to give you the example. So here I'm going to delete it, and here you can see our feature product has been come over here. As you can see, this is the title, we already set it up, and here you can see feature collection has been come, and here you can see we have couple of options here called like feature collection. If you click on this panel feature collection, then here you will find out that our collection has been selected. If you want to replace it, you are allowed to replace it, like brush gun, you can say. Then you have also brush fire, so you can change it whatever you want. Then similarly you can do work with this one. Just click on, and here you can see this is the title one. Just click over here, and here you can see you are allowed to add color. So this way you can customize your whole product page. So I'm going to hide it, and now here I am going to add an college. So let's search for college. Just search it, and here you can see our college has been added. I'm going to change it. Just click on, and here I'm going to select this one. You need to be add some metadata, or you can go from this panel. So I'm going to add it manually. Just click over here into the image. Once you click over here, you will get the option to upload an image. So I'm going to upload this one here, and it will be uploaded. This way you can easily change it. Let's edit this one product, and let's click over here, and here I'm going to add product, and it will be dynamically add and show second image on hover. Let's click on save, and let's view this page. So let's go and click over this panel. Let's open sidekick, or you can check it from that page. So I'm going to click on this panel. Just click over here, and here click on view. Once I click over here view, then here you can see our page has been done, and this is our website. This is the custom page. It looks really amazing, and now you can order anything from that panel. Just click on add to cart, and so click over here, it will be added into the cart. This way you can create your, or you can customize your product page. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was valuable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.